L.A.B.S, which is short for Legal Advice for Business Startups, is an online chat box service that helps startups find the resources they need to navigate the complex world of starting a business. And we found that it really is complex. I mean, if you want to start a food business, think of something else. And what we ended up using was IBM Watson Assistant, which is great because it's free and online, and that provides a flexible interface which users can interact with more naturally and provides an extension point for voice interaction. We were going to put on Amazon Alexa, but we just ran out of time. But it's a great system. We actually sort of borrowed it off the Start a Business team, which were in the May Better Rules hack up in Wellington, and so they started with basically a standard form which they use into a scripted chatbot. But the trouble with that was it was quite, it was inflexible. You didn't have any sort of natural language, anything like that. So we've just taken their idea, which was great, and we've built on it. But also what we found is there's a lot of really good resources out there, which a number of government agencies and others have put together. And so what we do in this chatbot is we link through to them.
This is the back-end interface with the IBM Watson Assistant. It's a artificial intelligence and machine learning chatbot system where you enter entities, instances, and then your dialogue that you want to have. It uses the machine learning to improve on both the user input recognition and also the output from the chatbot. So as you slowly use it more and more, it starts to develop patterns on how to respond correctly. It is currently still being fine-tuned and could be expected to take a while. At the moment, we're just running through the quick, asking for advice on the legal matters of setting up a food truck and getting information around required employment law, setting up contracts with simple links to appropriate websites from different government organisations so the user can get the information that is required for starting up a business. This is just off to a simple to use piece of software for creating an easy employment agreement for startup businesses to make contracts for any employees they have. You can see Watson trying to pick up keywords, and we go into entities that it's picked up, and you can go in and change it or modify it if it's picked up the wrong one, and it starts to learn that, and it can then improve on what is needed. And so then we have integrated a front-end website with a simple chatbot as well. That'll be coming up shortly. It's quite an easy API to integrate between Watson and our front-end chatbot. We're also working on getting it working with Google Home and Amazon Alexa to have audio interfaces. Eventually, would like it to include text-to-voice and voice-to-text interface to help the disabled or also people with computers who are computer illiterate or don't have access to internet, so they can use it over the phone. So we'll start using artificial intelligence over the phone to assist users. But it is quite an easy interface on the back end to work with, to improve on, and hopefully by the end of the day it will be quite powerful, and the artificial intelligence will be working correctly, and you will be seeing a lot more interface and different paths that we can use to inform the user with the type of information that they need.